Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karibu tanka kuwepa nino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungoga roka subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nas Mure Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya irupisa nyaya runetsa nyaya ya Buda ni pachino yapo parunzi papa sinaomera mushe pana minister yaka expose the rift iripo between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy Pachiwenga. Shinzi azvinomera mushe pana series of events akabuda achihighlight a growing rift within the Zimbabwe's ruling party. The most recent incident yanga iri yekuchino Invest of Technology apo President Emmerson Mnangagwa commissioner the Public Service Pensions Funds Varsity Heights in the administration block at the Chino Invest of Technology. PaChiwenga Varkunzi, he was absent despite being officially listed on the program. So the Public Service Minister July Moyo vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachite PaChiwenga vaka apologize for his absence kuna July Moyo hanzi but President Emmerson Mnangagwa vangasiriziva kuti Vice President Pachiwenga anga ari kupi mune Zimbabwe. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vaJuly Moyo vachiti he had spoken to Vice President to VP Chiwenga vaka apologize vachiti he would not attend shinzi vakasenda a message to congratulate President Emmerson Mnangagwa on this infrastructural development. As Mnangagwa anza akabuda achitara achita asikuziva kuti vanga vari kupi. This event yakaitwa musi Friday October 4 yaka-attendwa nema-ministers akati one day kusanganisira the Minister of Higher and Tertiary Education Professor Amon Murira, Justice Minister Ziyambi, Health Minister Douglas Mombeshora, the National and West Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution Marian Chombo, among others. For Defense Minister Opa Mchinguri Kashiri, he was absent, but akabuda vamoyo vachitaura ivo vachiti she had attended the funeral ya retired Colonel Shiga Dube mune Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakashamisa vazhinji zvakare ndema arrangements etransport akaitwa naPresident Emmerson Mnangagwa. Ndofunga nguva zhinji pavaimboenda kuChinoi vaisishandisa helicopter asi this time vakashandisa road kutravela to Chinoi zvakare nekudzoka kuHarare mune Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakashamisa vanhu vazhinji mushure mekunge paitika crash yakaitika kumasvingo. Zvakare nyaya yakafila maspeculations ehondo muZANU-PF yange iri nyaya yeleta yakabudzwa naZANU-PF National Political Commissar vamunyaradzi Machasha vakabuda vachipa warning party members within the influential district coordinating committees avo vaironga divisions within the party. Nyaya yakabuda chitaurwa iyo neNew Zimbabwe vachiti tensions between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy Pachiwenga have been thrust into the spotlight following a series of events highlighting a growing rift within Zimbabwe's ruling establishment. The most recent incident involved Vice President Chiwenga's conspicuous absence from the commissioning of the Public Service Pensions Funds Varsity Heights in an administration block at Chinoi University of Technology CAT, despite being officially listed on the program. New Zimbabwe has reported Public Service Minister July Moyo inadvertently revealed the deepening chasm during his vote of thanks at the event. He disclosed that while Chiwenga had apologized for his absence, President Mnangagwa appeared unaware of his deputy's whereabouts. Moyo's words, delivered directly to Mnangagwa, were carefully chosen. I spoke to VP Chiwenga earlier, and he sent his apology that he could not attend, but he sent a message to congratulate you on this infrastructural development, he stated, while leaving the reasons for Chiwenga's absence unexplained. The event, held on Friday, October 4th, 2024, was attended by a number of high-profile figures, including Higher and Tertiary Education Minister Professor Amon Murira, Justice Minister Ziyambi, Health Minister Douglas Mombeshora, and Mashonaland West Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Marian Chombo, among others. The absence of Defense Minister Opamchinguri Kashiri was also noted, although Moyo explained she was in Bulawayo attending the funeral of national hero, retired Colonel Shiga Dube. President Mnangagwa's own travel arrangements further fueled speculation about heightened security concerns. Instead of his usual helicopter travel, the 82-year-old president undertook the 330-kilometer journey from Harare to Chinoi and back by road. This unusual choice follows a recent incident involving a helicopter that was scheduled to transport him crashing in Masvingo under suspicious circumstances. Adding to the atmosphere of unease, a letter from ZANU-PF National Political Commissar Munyaradzi Machacha surfaced, warning party members, particularly those within the influential district coordinating committees, DCCs, against fostering divisions within the party. The DCCs play a crucial role in selecting presidential nominees for party congresses, underscoring the political significance of maintaining unity within the ruling party. The underlying tensions appear rooted in allegations of widespread corruption and the country's struggling economy, as previously reported by News Zimbabwe. PaChiwenga's faction is reportedly plotting to remove Mnangagwa and his allies, citing their handling of corruption and the plummeting value of the Zimbabwean dollar zig against the US dollar, which has fueled public discontent. Despite the political undercurrents, the CAT graduation ceremony proceeded with President Mnangagwa conferring over 3,500 diplomas and degrees, including 784 master's degrees, 19 masters of philosophy degrees, and 27 doctor of philosophy degrees. Among the graduates was PSC Commissioner George Anthony Chigora. CAT Vice Chancellor Professor David Simbi highlighted the varsity's commitment to providing education aligned with Zimbabwe's vision of becoming a middle-income economy by 2030. He emphasized the varsity's revised curriculum focusing on skills and practical competencies for goods and services production, aligning with the government's modernization agenda. For those on set of the Second Republic, the agenda of modernization of Zimbabwe has remained topical. Your University of Technology embraced the country's vision. When you laid a foundation stone at our agro-industrial park, it was an affirmation to us of your desire for a food-secure Zimbabwe, and to this end, the university's education curriculum has been revised to meet the learning needs for programs that impart skills and practical competencies for the production of goods and services, he stated. The graduation ceremony, themed Innovating for Sustainable Growth Towards an Industrialized Zimbabwe, concluded with President Mnangagwa's departure, leaving the underlying political tensions simmering beneath the surface of official proceedings. The incident at the Chinhoyi University of Technology, coupled with President's altered travel arrangements and the internal party warnings, paints a picture of a deeply fractured ruling party grappling with significant internal challenges. Nyaya yakabudiswa muri Zimbabwe. Tingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya yetu dzezvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.